Hello viewers, I am Arnob from Arnob Tech. Today I am going to show you how to create or how to make the playlist in your YouTube channel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open any browser of your choice, and then you must have login into your Gmail ID which is associated with your YouTube channel. Then click on this icon, your YouTube logo. Click on your YouTube logo. Yes, and then click on my channel. You have to wait for loading this page. Okay, after opening this page, you have to click on customize channel option. You have to click on customize channel option. This is loading now. You have to wait few seconds for that page from where you can customize everything in your channel, playlist, everything. These are my videos, recently uploaded videos. After opening the page, you have to click on this icon. You have to click on this icon, and then a small page is loading. This is the editing page of your channel. After loading this page, you will get how to make your playlist. This page is in front of me and also you. Make sure that your playlist option is active, not the videos, not the channels, not the discussion or about, only playlist option. Then you have to click on this icon, new playlist. You have to click on this icon, new playlist. You have to rename this playlist, or I am naming it Photoshop tutorials. Okay, Photoshop tutorials. Then you have to select the public option. And then you have to click on create button. After clicking this button, you will get this playlist. You can edit from here. You can add your videos from your video list. After clicking the icon, you will get this page, and you have to select edit option from here, and then you will get the main page of your new created playlist. I'll show you. This is the page. You can settings your playlist. Click on settings. This is loading. Yeah, you can check your privacy or select your privacy public. You can ordering the videos manual, date, newest, date, old date, most popular, date published, newest. I am remain this option manual, and there is no change needed. Okay, cancel. You can add videos from this option, add videos option, and you can delete your playlist. This icon, click on this icon and select delete playlist option. You can delete, you can share also your playlist. Okay, this is the, you can add any description about the playlist. I am giving description. Okay, this playlist is for Photoshop lesson or and not or and tutorials. Okay, this is enough. I have added description to short. No videos, no views, update today. That's all. If you like my video, please like me and my videos, share my channel, and don't forget to subscribe me and subscribe my channel. Thank you for resting with my channel. Okay, bye.